race event has come to Sodor. The engines are so excited as there are fantastic racetracks all over the island of Sodor. All the engines are invited, so come and boost, jump, spin and flip in crazy races to the finish line in Go Go Thomas. Go Go Thomas! Choose your engine. Young bow. Thomas! Select your track. Thomas! This is Young bow. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? Tap, tap, tap on the green button to start up your engine. Short speed boost. Quick, tap the special boost button. Winner! Magnificent race! Choose your engine.